say is true. Never fail. People will prevail. We're not afraid of giants because they always grow. So you hear us every time we go.
You believe it.
Shout if you believe it.
Comes down.
Everyone comes down.
Shout because you know that
Shout because you know that nothing's impossible.
shout because you believe it.
Shout if you believe it.
Every wall comes down.
Everyone comes down.
Shout because you know that
Shout because you know that nothing's impossible.
all of fears gone away.
All our fears gone away. Every day we walk by faith.
We have overcome.
We have
Already won.
You've given us
Victory.
You've
Supplied our every need.
history. That's why we still believe.
To mountains
Speak to mountains.
have to move.
Have to move.
Power and authority
Power and authority
comes from you. Shout if you believe it.
Shout if you believe
Till
it.
every wall comes down.
All comes down.
Shout because you know that
Because you know
nothing's
nothing's
impossible. Shout if you believe
Shout
it.
if you believe
Till
it.
every wall comes down.
All comes down.
Shout because you know that
Shout because you know that
nothing-
nothing's impossible. We're not afraid of that. Always will provide. So we stand against us when you're on our side. Shout if you believe
wall
it.
comes
Till
down.
every wall comes down.
Because you know that
Shout because you know that
Nothing-
nothing's impossible.
Shout if you believe it.
Shout if you believe
Till
it.
every wall comes down.
All comes down.
Shout because you know that
Shout because you know that
Nothing-
nothing's impossible. Nothing's impossible.
all things are possible.
He's still
Working miracles is happening now. Nothing's impossible. All things are possible.
He's still
Working miracles, it's happening now. Nothing's impossible. All things are possible. He's still working miracles. It's happening now. Nothing's impossible. All things are possible. He's still working miracles. It's happening now.
Amen. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
nothing's
Impossible. All things are possible.
He's
Still working miracles. It's happening now. Nothing's impossible.